This event marks the completion of a £2.4 million strategic investment in advanced manufacturing capability. It has been delivered with support from the UK government through the Defence Technology Exploitation Programme and the Defence and Security Accelerator, with Rolls-Royce as a Tier 1 sponsor. This project reflects our commitment to strengthening our position in high-value defence and aerospace markets, while supporting the resilience of the UK supply chain. We are a global leader in metallurgical technology, working in partnership with world-class customers across a diverse range of industries. Our company was founded in 1938 in Detroit, Michigan. Today, we operate as a global organization with nearly 600 team members across 8 locations worldwide. Our locations include Madison Heights, Los Lunas, Cincinnati, Oklahoma City, Franklin in the United States, Edmonton in Canada, Swansea in South Wales, and Suzhou in China. At the heart of everything we do is a simple principle. We make metals work harder. Here in Wales, our end-to-end manufacturing ecosystem connects alloy development, powder production, casting, machining, and joining into a single integrated process. This creates a faster, smarter, and more precise path from concept to finished component. We continue to invest in advanced engineering capability here in Wales, with £4.5 million invested in recent years. This investment is also supporting the development of new digital skills in automation, advanced manufacturing systems, and artificial intelligence. A key milestone in the £2.4 million VPIC project, which has created one of Europe's most advanced VPIC foundries. This facility produces aerospace-grade high-performance components, previously achievable only by the world's largest aerospace manufacturers. This will enable us to expand our solutions across key sectors, including aerospace and defence, nuclear and SMR, industrial gas turbines, oil and gas, renewables, and pumps and valves. Most importantly, it will help secure high-value skilled employment in the Swansea Valley, while contributing to the United Kingdom's industrial strategy.